Then taking up the next questions on mensuration chapter. Already we had started few questions. Let us take further more questions. Last I had taken question number 14. Now I am taking question number 16th. So question 16th I am taking from the exercise 16.1. Let's see what question number 16 says. Question number 16 says the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter. The base is 2/3 the sum of the equal sides. So let's draw the triangle first. It is A, B, C. So BC is the base. Base is 2/3 of the equal sides. So let the length of equal sides is equal to x centimeter comma x centimeter. Two sides are the equal sides. Okay, so this will be x and this also will be x. What they are telling about the base? They are telling that the base is 2/3. So base, or let's write here length of the base. Let's write length of the base. To rub this one. Length of base so it's given that the length of base is 2/3 or 1/3, 2/3 sum of the equal sides. So length of base equal to 2/3 of the. Here this interpretation is important. Length of the base is 2/3 the sum of the equal sides. So this is like this means 2/3 into 2x. That means 4x by 3. So we are knowing the length of the bases now and the length of base and the equal sides. Is the question giving us something more? Yes, it is given perimeter. Perimeter of the isosceles triangle equal to x plus 4x by 3 centimeter. Now according to question, see here the length of the perimeter is given. So perimeter is given how much? 40 centimeter. According to question, x plus 4x by 3 is equal to 40. This implies that 2x plus 4x by 3 is equal to 40. This implies that 6x plus 4x by 3 equal to 40. This implies that 10x equal to 40 into 3. This implies that x equal to 40 into 3 by 10. 0 0 cancel, that means 12. X equal to 12 is coming. What the question they have asked? Find the length of each side. Therefore, length of equal sides will be equal to 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Length of base will be equal to 4 by 3 into 12, that means 16 centimeter. Let us check out the answer also, whether the same answer is coming. Yes, base is 16 centimeter in question number 16 and the other equal sides are 12 centimeter each. Okay. Then I am taking up question number 18. Question number 18 says, the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. Children, if you remember some concepts that you have learned in the chapter of simultaneous linear equations or problems on linear equations, I think so lesson 6 it is. If you remember that, then there should not be any problem in doing this question. Only it is an extended case where few more details are required and that you have to learn and do also. Let us see what they are asking. This question was really easy, nothing much required here. With simple detailings you can learn here. If this can be again a question of problems on simultaneous linear equations, so not a big deal about it. So the question is, the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. If the cost of cultivating field is given, base and height, question number which I am taking 17. Sorry, it is question number 18. Let the height of triangular field x centimeter and base is 3 times its height. Therefore, length of base, length of base of the triangular field it is how much given? 3 times. So it will be 3x centimeter. Okay, these two details were captured. If the cost of cultivating field. Now see, when cultivating the field, base is how much? 3x, height is x. Okay. When we are cultivating the field, you are using the area. Okay. So, area of field. Now see here, we have to assume that this field is a right angle triangle in that shape. So, it is equal to half into BC into AB is equal to half into 3x into x, that means 3 by 2 x square centimeter square. Now see, the cost of cultivation is given at the rate of 25 per 100 meter square. Okay, so rupees 25 per 100 meter square is given. Okay, so total cost of cultivation is good. That was given the question. How much it is? $60,000. Now see 25 per 100 meter square. That means for 100 meter square 25 rupees. Okay. So from this cost of cultivation, how can you find the area? Yes or no? So to 25 rupees for 100 meter square. So how many 100 meter squares are there in this? Do you know that? No. So area of field now see total cost of cultivation is there and per 100 meter cost is given. So as much we divide, that many 100 meter squares will be there. So area field equal to 60,000 upon 25. Okay, that you do into that many 100 meter squares. So you divide, it will come okay. So we will get from here 2400. See 60,000 by 25. How much we have got? Now see per 100 meter square. So write here upon 100 meter square. Because rupees 25 per 100. So 100 will come in the numerator. That means 240000 meter square. That is the area of the field. And you write here according to question. Three by 2 x square is equal to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. This implies that x square is equal to 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2 by 3. So 3 8 is 24, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means it is how much? 8 to the 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. This implies that x equal to square root of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. This implies that x equal to how much? 400. So x equal to 400 we got. So that should be the height. Therefore, after this I am writing here. Therefore, height of the triangular field is equal to 400 meter or centimeter. It should not be centimeter, it should be meter only, because I have taken the details in the question are given in per meter square only, so I take it meter only. So let it be meter. Okay. Everywhere should take meter only. Anywhere else? Yes, everywhere meter only. Meter. Base of triangular field, or length of base. Length of the base of the triangular field is equal to 400 into this 3x. means 1200 meter. Let's check if that is the answer. Exercise 16.1, question number 18. meter and 400 meter. So base is 1200 meter and height is 400 meter. See here in this question something is hidden. What? They have not told the field is in the form of a right angle triangle. Only they have given the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. So see, when only base and height is given, we have to assume that only base and height are possible for this triangle, which should be right angled. Otherwise, this thing will be like we have to assume that it has to be a right angle triangle. So they have given. So we will draw the triangle there. Okay, and see, they have also given a relationship between the base and height. What they are saying? The base is 3 times. So whatever is in multiple fold, that you don't assume. We assume what is given, which can be taken without any consideration, means without any assumption. So we are taking x. With the help of x, because the base is dependent on the height, so we will not assume base, we will assume height as x. So once we have taken height as x, the base will be 3 times. Then, as per this right angle triangle, we can find the area in the terms of x. Yes, it will be what? Half into base into height. So half into 3x into x. It is 3 by 2x meter square. Now, the second part is finding the area. So, to how to find the area? The total cost of cultivation is given. That is given. From the total cost of cultivation, how to find area? Area will be, and it is given in terms of per meter square. That means 25 per meter square. 25 per 100 meter square. So 25 upon 100 we have done. And that we have got area as 1, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. 2 lakhs, 40,000. Yes, 2,40,000 meter square. So the area has come 2,40,000 meter square. Then getting this thing is a little bit typical, might be, but it should not be. Why? Because these type of questions already you have done in class 8th, calculating the area, cost of cultivation, fencing, all these things you have done. I think so the next question is there is on fencing only. Yes. And see in fencing some area is some length they are skipping, that length you remove from the perimeter part. And even if the cost of the perimeter is given, the fencing cost is given, so that place where gate. Let's see the general cases whenever they are putting the boundary and all, they leave the space for the gate. Like when you are making the wall and all, or in the room, you leave the space for the windows and doors. Yes or no? So that space will be not taken into consideration for painting and all. Because when you paint the walls or you put the gate there, this thing will not be taken. So accordingly in this question, then what you have got? We have got the area of the field. Once you have got the area of the field, what we have done? We have equated the area in terms of x and the area calculated with the help of this cost of cultivation. We have got the value of x as 400 and that only is the height and base is 1200 meter. The question says particularly find the base and height. So base is 1200, height is 400 meter. Don't interchange them. Both will be taken at their places where they are supposed to be. See, few more questions are there that will be taking up in the coming up classes. Like in the question which is given, the question number 19. I'll give the hint for that. I'll solve in the next class. Suppose some gate is there. They are putting some wire here. you must have seen that whenever some places they are putting the purchasing the piece of land and all, they are putting the wire. But this particular region, there will be no wire because you have to put the gate. How you will go inside? So this particular region where there should not be any wire, there you have to not consider the perimeter. So while calculating the perimeter of the field, you will not take that. So to suppose this length is A, this is B, this is C and this is X. So your perimeter will be A plus B plus C minus X. Okay. So you will take that for consideration. What they have asked? Yes. On the one side gate is there. And area planted, again area will be the region inside this. Okay. Area is all this shaded portion will be under the area. Okay. So difficulty level is not much for the questions. I'll request you all to study properly, solve the questions which are the solved examples. Some questions are there, do let me know. In the coming lectures, I'll be taking up those questions.